what I like to go over today is to talk about, how you can get a better buy or sell price. And sometimes you may sell and the system doesn't sell, or the system sells and you didn't sell. And so I want to show you why that is and how you can compensate for that. So let's get started. First off, here are the buy targets for Thursday, January 26th. This just happened, so I want to explain how it happened and how you can, protect yourself from it. So as you see, we have 4 ETFs that we are in, and we have the sell targets for Thursday, January 26th. So what that means is on Thursday, when the markets close, if these ETFs here close above these prices, they will get sold. And over here, it's telling us what we need to look for. Now here's where a special anomaly comes in. Let's take a look right here at SPXL. Now it's telling us that if it closes above 72.62, then we are supposed to sell it. Now here we are for the next day. Thursday had just ended, and you can see that SPXL last close 72.65, so it closed 3 cents higher than what we were told to sell it at. But yet you see the system didn't sell it. It's that SPXL is still here, and now it says it has to close above 73.88. So it's trying to get us a little more profit. Now more than likely you might have sold, and then you can see the system is still in and you're not, so you could buy it back. But what I like to do is to teach you in this video how to compensate for this and what it's all about, okay? So let's get started. So here we have a close above and a close below price. Now these are just estimates. So today is Thursday, the market just closed on the 26th, so these are estimates for tomorrow on Friday, or for the next day. Now these estimates are based on that ETF closing at the same price it closed on today, so it would be Thursday. So let's take a look here at SPXL. So today it closed at 72.65. So our projection for tomorrow is based on it closing at 72.65. But here's the deal. Perhaps it closes higher or it closes lower. And when that happens, that's going to change our closing prices. And you need to adjust for that so that you can be closer to the system. So we're going to use this SPXL as an example. All right, so now let's go back to Thursday. Now this is Thursday's results, and it says right here, SPXL close above 72.62, look for a 3.1% move. Now we were looking for a 3.1 move, and it almost got that 3.1 move. So what you would do then is you would check the price before the close, and you can see that it's about to close above 72.62, which is what the system is telling us. So now let's take a look at what actually happened today with SPXL, because over here under the official prices, this gets updated after the website closes. Under the official prices, we're going to take a look and see what the price should have been. So we click here, and here's our sell target. So it's telling us to sell if it closed above 72.74. And we see that SPXL did not close above that, and that's why the system still held, while you may have been relying on the estimate and sold. So after a while you'll get a little bit better at estimating these, but if you do make a mistake, then we update the website and you can go and make your trade in after hours. It's commission free. So our estimate on SPXL was 72.62, and in actuality it was 72.74. So you can see that it rose about 12 cents when this ETF went up 3%. So if it goes up 3% again tomorrow, then you could add about 12 cents onto this, and you would need it to close above 74. So this is how you can estimate that. Now let's take another look at a different one, and this is one, as you see, we did sell 2 of those today, TECL and TNA. Let's take a look at TNA. Now yesterday, Wednesday, before all the trading happened today, we had a close above on 39.39. Now if we come over here and you look at TNA, it did go up a little bit, so we should raise our price a little bit. So let's raise our price from $39.39 to say maybe $39.42, $39.45, and you see it closed above that, so we would sell. Now let's go see what the official price really was. So the official price was to sell if it went above $39.46. So remember, we had $39.39, but it was $39.46. So this one rose about 7 cents. You'll kind of get an idea if you're trading a certain one over and over. It went up 7 cents. It rose 1.78. If it rises 1.78, add 7 cents again, something like that, and you should be able to get it right. Now what we have here is TNA closed at $39.54. So it did close above the official sell price of $39.46, and it also closed above our price, $39.39. So kind of make some adjustments yourself after you see what the ETF is doing. So anyway, I hope that helps you kind of judge how to adjust the estimated prices to get a little bit closer to the system. Just watch it a few days and you'll see how much the official sell price is from the projected one, and you'll know roughly how much to make an adjustment depending on how big of a rise or a drop that the ETF had that day. Okay, so good luck. Let's see if you can time it a little bit better and get right in there with this tips.